Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Rockstar Error Code 1.500.7. The error reads, "Sorry, we are unable to handle your request at this time." Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. The error comes when users try to create a Rockstar Games account. According to our research, this error indicates a connectivity problem which may be related to VPNs, proxies, or region-specific issues. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to go offline and then restart the Rockstar Games launcher. Thanks. Once the launcher restarts, try registering again and check for the error. If the error still comes, try using your mobile phone data. Switch off your current Wi-Fi or network, then connect to your phone's mobile hotspot, and then attempt the registration again. If the error persists, try setting your region to the USA while registering. Some users found success with this workaround. So set the region during the sign-up and check if this helps with the error. If the error continues, check that your internet or service provider is not using a proxy or VPN. If you are connected via a VPN, disable it and try again. If the error doesn't resolve, try synchronizing your system time in Windows. Go to your system settings, then open the Date and Time section and choose the option to sync your time. Once done, relaunch the launcher and check for the error. If you still get the error, use a VPN to enter the site and complete the registration. Once you reach the point of entering your Gmail and password, turn off the VPN and proceed. If the error continues, try flushing your DNS. To do this, open Command Prompt as an administrator by searching CMD in the Start menu, then right-clicking and selecting Run as administrator. Then type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. Once the process completes, restart your computer and open the launcher. At last, if the error still persists, then it may be a temporary issue from Rockstar's side. In that case, wait for some time and try again later. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.